What's up guys? DapperxDan here. Welcome to a quick little video on the R1 while we're still in quarantine here. Don't got much else to do, so today I'm going to be installing some LED lights on there. I already have one done. It was such a pain, so there was no instructional videos that I could see online anywhere for these, so I'll be making my own here. First of all, we got these caps here that are right in here. What you do to take them off, you just turn them left and take them off like that. And then on the stock light, actually, let me turn the handlebars here. So I already did it on one side, and we're about to do it on this side. So you turn this to the left here, take this cap off, and on the stock light here, there is this metal clip that you have to undo. And this is the hardest part of getting it back on there. Let's see how it goes. It goes up, in and up. Come on. Come on, there you go. Alright. So that holds the light bulb in there. It's just like resting in there. And getting that clip back on is the absolute worst part. So you do that undo all the way, and then there's your light bulb right there, and then you just unplug it. Like so. If I can do this one-handed. Nope. Actually, before we do that, let's show you what it looks like. Here's the before and after kind of thing. So we'll go on. Start that real quick. So here's pretty much before and after. There's the stock headlight right there, and then here's the aftermarket LED that kind of matches that accent light a little better. So that's the reason I'm doing it, and it's way brighter. So yeah, that's the reason. So it'll match and it'll be way brighter. So let's, these LEDs, the new LEDs have like fans on them too, so I don't know if they overheat pretty easily or what. So we're gonna continue unplugging this light. Alright, so we got the light undone. It pretty much pulls straight out. This is your old light bulb right here. And we'll go set this over here. Here's the new one. It has a resistor in there too. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to plug this end into there, and then stuff everything in there, and then stuff the light bulb in there and try and make it fit. Alright, I found it also helps if you take off this part of the fairing right here. It's just a simple Allen key and 2 bolts right there, and then you're done. So we just do that, make sure that stays with it. Put you on the ground and move you. Take that fairing off, put it on the ground. Alright, so actually it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna have to stuff everything in there. So what we do, we put that in for a second, push that wiring back, stuff this. We need to move this closer. Alright, so start stuffing in there. Just as far back as you can go. Alright, let's pause. Alright, kind of see here, you want to get all the wiring stuffed in there as much as possible, because that's what stops you, as I found on the other side, the wiring stops you from screwing the cap back on. So you want to get that wiring in there as much as possible, that to get it from the way. This, you would think this would stop it because it sticks up so much further, but actually it's just perfect that it fits in there. So the wiring is what stops you. So I'm going to continue doing that. I need both hands. Alright, that took a while, but we got it all in there. Let's see if you can get a better angle here. got all the wiring stuff there, and again, that clip was the worst part, so I'll let you guys see what it looks like. There you go. That's with both LEDs. And yeah, it looks so much better with LEDs on there. And it's gonna be a lot better. Let's see what the brights look like. Ah, yeah, brights are nice. Now, let's see. Very nice. All right. So now, we'll turn this key off. Now we just need to put that last cap on, and then we'll be good to go. All right, the cap is back on, as you can see. The fairing is back on too. Both sides are there. I do want to see how much noise those fans make while the bike is not running, so we'll test that real quick. Oh yeah, you can't even hear that. Can't even hear it, but you don't want to let them just run because that will kill your battery, so go ahead and turn that off actually. Yeah, but you do not want to let those run because that'll probably kill your battery eventually, because it's just like running any other fans. But anyway, you guys, that's pretty much everything we got today. I'm gonna go out and ride this here in a second. But if you guys like today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the new lights. LED headlights. They're nice and bright, they look good, and they're gonna last a long time. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. We'll be right back.